friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the platform I have personally tested and it is honestly blown me away. So I will share all the detail in this video, so stay tuned and watch full video. But before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to all so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. I will introduce you about XC as a modern and it's a user first platform for buying, trading and spending digital assets. So you can see they have the option for exchange, expand and engage, as you can swap, buy, sell and trade crypto assets effortlessly with their transparent user friendly platform. You can enjoy seamless transaction, real time data and make informed decision making. So here there is option for the swap and you can open an account from here too. You can see it is a good project. You can easily be able to make money on it. Redefine your crypto experience with their limitless web3 solution. They have solution like you can see they have 12 billion plus asset management here. So here the XC is a new gen digital asset exchange focus on real rewards, easy of use and powerful tool. They have global first approach designed for anyone anywhere, and you can see it here. They have 12b plus asset management here, 0.10% lowest transaction fees here. The 5M user worldwide, as I am sharing with you that global first approach designed for anyone anywhere, real time cashback, seamless trading and CQI. So you can see it here. They have the swap, crypto and the buy and sell options, certified by experts, loved by the users. You can see what make XC stand out. So they have passionate about delivering. They have exceptional values to their users by combining cutting edge technology with a custom first service. So you can see they have a rate about 98%, 100k satisfied client. Though they have mentioned that they have been gaining traction for being feature rich yet initiative. So you can see they have 8-minute average exchange time. So you can see the logo is also given here. So they are working real time cashback, seamless trading, and you can see trade smarter not harder, experience ultra low fees. You can see as I share with you their fees are low, lightning fast transaction, robust APIs and advanced features. Here they have simple as 1 2 3. You have to select the your currency the in which you want, though they are major cryptocurrency. You can choose that one which you suit. So you can see you have to deposit the fund, verify the details and transfer your crypto asset to the prioritized address. So you can see you can see it here, receive your crypto, and you can swap that cryptocurrency as the most favorable rate, like you can deposit on your provided address and after that you can swap it with your favorite one or the needed one. So you can see it here. You can maximize your earning with the XC. You can see elite, they have sign up for a free account to unlock exclusive benefit, enhance your trading experience and optimize your returns, all while keeping your funds secure and under your control. So as you can maximize your work from here. So and you can see you will get the key features which are given here. They have about cashback via swap reward or using the percentage of fees on each token swap credited directly to your account. You can see they have the P2P trading that enables direct buying and selling of asset between users, allowing for great control, and you can see spot and future trading are also given here. So they have given here the details. You can see as I will also share my dashboard here. They are spending with a virtual card. They are going for the virtual card, the only exchange in the world offering a crypto card in 180 plus countries. Use your balance anytime anywhere. They have the instant transactions. They have fund your card with the crypto. You will get Apple Pay, Google Pay accepted worldwide, multiple virtual card available, no hidden fee. They are in that. This is the key feature of that, make it stand out. You can see it is coming soon. So you can see they have also the real-time rewards. You can see try your luck and win. They have that you can see raffle is currently under development and coming soon. The and other their feature which is given is the seamless P2P trading that discover they connect directly with the buyers and sellers for efficient and secure cryptocurrency transaction. You can enjoy a trading experience that puts you in a control with these key features like global access to the diverse trading that you can enjoy lower fees and maximize your profit. You can secure and you can see it here. So This is a seamless spot trading, ultra low fees, lightning swaps, and smart execution tools. So you can see, you can execution tools are given. You can discover more from here too. They have also given here popular pairs, like you can go for P2P powers here. You can see it here, and secure and direct trades with the and total control over how you trade. So you can find out users and spread the worldwide. You can see it here as I was sharing about that. It is also user friendly interface, perfect for both and pros and beginners, clean, fast, and innovative. So you can see they have partner and let's grow together. You can see all that. They have upcoming feature about the future trading, staking, and copy trading for passive earnings here. So you can see, you can even download their app from Google and App Store. I will give that link in my video description so you can easily get about it. So I already here, you can see my account which I already sign up here. So I will just go and share further details with you too. So you can see it here. Here is given about their link tree. You can see you can win Tesla Model 3. You can see they have the web app given here. You can download XC here, a mobile app, their Telegram, Discord, all details, links is given. I'll give that link to you in my video description so you can easily go to it through. So you can see it here. You can even get Tesla Model 3. You can switch trade win a Tesla Model 3. It is a easy and XC deposit just $10 and make your first trade for a chance to drive away in a brand new Tesla 3. You can get started here. How you can enter? For that, you have to create your account. You have to deposit minimum $10 and you can complete one trade. In that way, you can be able to be a part of that, and you can drive a home a Tesla Model 3 or take $40,000 in cash, which is a big. Already here you can see the wallet tradings and P2P. You can even swap from one account to another. You can further see here option for the swap here. You can swap here like BTC to ETH. As I share with you that you can do swap here and you can work easily from here too. So card is coming soon, as I share with you that they are going for the virtual card, and that only exchange in the world offering a crypto card, 180 plus countries, user balance anytime anywhere. You can see they have the trading option. You can even though do that trading from here. If I go back and share with you, you can see there is an option for swap and buy and sell. There is an option for their products like swap, their card, their raffle, and their mobile app too. So I shared all the detail about is. You can see there is the option for their referral is given. You can even make your like team here, invite your friend and reward. You have to just copy it. I will copy this link and share it with you in my video description so you can easily be a part of my team. You can become a partner and you can get it here. So I share all the details here yourself and let me know what you think in the comment, and I will give all their social link in my video description, so go and explore it. Thank you so much for watching.